Once you've opened up the communication choice board, you will need to complete 4 of the activities on the choice board. Any 4, it doesn't matter what order they are in. Once you've completed those 4 of your choice, you then need to link your evidence of your work in this choice board, and then this is what you will upload to the assignment. So make sure you link all 4 pieces of evidence in before you submit this assignment. Alright, so how to link in evidence on this choice board. So let me go to my Google Drive here and show you what I'm referring to. So here I'm in one of my folders, and I did an interview somewhere right here. This assignment right here I did as an interview. So I will need to link this into that choice board. So to do that, first I need to open it. I then would need to share. Okay. Then I would need to click on copy link. So now that link is copied to my Google Doc interview there. I would then go back to the communication choice board. I would go down to where it says interview someone about their job, and it says to link it here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete that now. Or actually I'm going to delete that now, and I'm going to insert link, and I'm going to paste in that link that I copied right here, and I need to give it a title. So I would title it with whoever you interviewed. So in my case it was a principal. Okay, so I'm going to put principal interview, and I would put apply. So now I have linked that in here. So if I click on this or hover over it, I'd be able to click this and it would open it back up for me to see. Okay, now let me show you one other time what to do here. So let's say right here, create a presentation where you introduce yourself, your interests, goals, strengths, and weaknesses. Okay, so a lot of you have already done the About Me video, so you can actually link that here. So let me show you how to do that. So if I go back to this folder, I've actually downloaded the video About Me, so I've done it as well. It's like, here's my video. It's getting ready to play. Okay.
Hello.
So what I could actually do here is this dot dot dot, those 3 dots up in the corner. I can go to share and do the same thing. Copy link. Go back here. I'm going to add my link here by going to insert link. Paste in that one that I copied and About Me video. And I would click apply. So then it would open that one for me. Like if I clicked on this, hover over it, there it shows it, and then I can click on it and it actually pull it up. So you'd have to, so far I've done 2 out of the 4, and then I'd have to pick 2 more to do. You might have already done some of these in your classes, assignments on PLP, and if you have, you can, like if you typed them into an answer box, you're more than welcome to copy and paste those onto a Google Doc and link them here. Okay, if you've done something in your community, so forth, you're welcome to post those here. Thank you.